Good morning, students. We are beginning a new chapter in geography, chapter 4, agriculture. Look at the picture carefully. What this person is doing. You can see that this person is preparing his field to cultivate crops. So, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the cultivation of crops. The word agriculture has been derived from Latin words ager or agri meaning soil and culture meaning cultivation. So we can define that agriculture is the cultivation or growing of crops. But is the agriculture meaning is limited only to the cultivation of crops? No. Today, agriculture deals not only with cultivation of crops, but also with rearing of livestock. This is the livestock. Rearing of livestock. Some of the scholars also include sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture and horticulture as the part of agriculture. Do you know all these terms? Let's discuss about what all these terms are. First of all, sericulture. What do you observe here? These are the silkworms. So sericulture is related to silkworms. We can say that commercial rearing of silkworm to get silk fibers is called sericulture. Next, what do you observe here? You will find a pond full of fish. This is what pisciculture is. We can say that breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds is called pisciculture. Moving to the next. What do you observe here? You can see bunches of grapes. So, what is viticulture? Viticulture is the cultivation of grapes. And last of all, horticulture. Here you can see fruits and vegetables. So, horticulture is the growing vegetables, flowers and fruits for commercial use. Now, we have discussed about some of the activities. Why people do all these activities? All these activities are done by people to earn their living, or in simple words we can say all these activities are done to earn money. Are these the only activity to earn the money? No. These activities which are done to earn money are termed as economic activities. But agriculture is not the only economic activities. So what are the different types of economic activities? The economic activities can be divided in three parts. First of all, primary activities. Look at the picture carefully. You will find some people are doing fishing, then poultry farming, then cutting of wood and mining. So, what comes in your mind? You may say that all these activities are directly connected to nature. So what are primary activities? So primary activities include all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources. The examples of primary activities are agriculture, fishing, and gathering of different items. All the items which we are obtaining from primary activity, most of the items we cannot use directly. For example, we obtain wheat. Now, a farmer grows wheat. So growing of wheat in a farm is a type of primary activity. But we cannot consume the wheat directly. We have to convert the wheat into bread. Here is the work of the secondary activity begins. Means the things which are obtained from the primary activities, they are processed and they are made more useful for human beings. This is what is the secondary economic activities. We can say that secondary activities are concerned with the processing of products obtained from the primary activities. Here you can see manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, and weaving of cloth. These are the few examples of secondary economic activity. Now, the third type of economic activity is termed as the tertiary activity. In very simple word, we can say tertiary activities include service sector. Now see, if we produce something in a farm that has to be transported, or whatever is produced in the factories has to be transported. So transportation is a kind of service, and that is a type of tertiary activities. So tertiary activities are equally important. Now then we have the shopkeepers. What is the work of shopkeepers? Because of the shopkeepers only the items are available to all the people. So the tertiary activities include transport, trade, banking, insurance, and advertising. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.